Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of party decorations with the best purple letter balloons available. Introducing the TONIFUL 52 pieces 16-inch purple letter A to Z balloons. These custom phrase mylar foil alphabet letters allow you to create your own banner for any occasion, from birthdays to graduations and everything in between. What sets these balloons apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, each package includes 2 sets of A to Z 26-letter purple balloons, along with 1 straw and 2 ribbons. That means you have all the tools you need to spell out any message you desire. Now, let's talk about quality. These balloons are made from high-quality foil material, ensuring that they're not only beautiful but also safe to use. Plus, the color is uniform and vibrant, adding a pop of excitement to any party atmosphere. But perhaps the best part about these balloons is their versatility. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, anniversary, graduation, or any other special occasion, these letter foil balloons are sure to be a hit. And since they're reusable, you can enjoy them time and time again. And all of this comes at an unbeatable price of just $14.99. But remember, these balloons are in high demand, so be sure to snag yours before they're gone. So there you have it, folks, the best purple letter balloons on the market. Whether you're spelling out a name, a message, or simply adding a splash of color to your party decor, the TONIFUL 52 pieces 16-inch purple letter A to Z balloons have got you covered. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.